What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Martin. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded any video for you guys, but today I quickly want to break down US30 and where it's headed for the week. And obviously give you guys a couple of tips on what to look out for in this upcoming week and stuff. But before we go to that, there is a new website that I discovered. I hope you guys can see my screen. This is AAAFX. This is a new broker that I discovered that I had been trying out. You guys can really try it out, and you can see there, even on the about page, you've got that YAAAFX tab there that you can look at the regulations and licensing that you can look at. There's obviously like the contact us tab that you can click on as well, which is also like quite cool, because then you do need a broker that you can communicate with whenever you want to trade. And also I really like this option on their website that says safety of funds. You can obviously look at that before you do invest your funds in this broker. And I do feel as if for me, that's like one of the most important things that I really want to look at whenever I am choosing a broker, and the other tabs as well that you can obviously look at. There's also like a career section that you can click on if you are looking to obviously start a career with them, and that's also another cool thing. And also on the trading tab, you've got the trading products that they do have, and you can click on that to see the instruments that they do offer. You've got the account types as well, and you can choose whatever account type that suits your requirements. And you've got trading conditions as well, which you can look at to see whether you are happy with them or not before you can start the deposit and withdrawal option. So obviously this is a hassle-free money management option that they do have. They have a really cool way and mode of depositing in the website. So do go check it out and really see if you are able. And obviously on the platforms, they do have the MT4, which is obviously the most popular trading platform. And they've got like the MT5, which not a lot of people really use. And they've also got what we call Act Trader. And they've also got comparison of platforms there so that you can be able to choose whatever platform that works for you very well. And again, they've got like promotions that are currently happening. There's a deposit bonus that they do give you. They've got that refer, and this is sort of like an introducing broker option. And they've also got a free VPS that you can also look at. And then they've got tools and resources. There's Zulu Trade, there's trading calculators, there's an economic calendar that you can look at. There's like partnership options that would help you grow your trading career. And then there's frequently asked questions that you can look at. So you do click on the join now option whenever you are happy. And obviously you can see even on the home and landing page that you do have, the future of Forex is zero commission, raw spreads from 0.0 pips, and you've got leverage that goes up to 500. We've got a global regulation and registrations that you can obviously look at. And there's a free deposit and withdrawal method that you can obviously look at. You can obviously go and open up a demo account to really test out the platform and see whether you are happy or not. And obviously you can browse through the website, look at exactly what it is that you can obviously pick up from the website. I will drop the link on the bio, and you guys can obviously check it out before the end of the video. So let's go back to our charts and let's see what we do have. So on today's video, we are looking at US30. This is my absolute fave market that I do trade on a daily. And for me, I think this is like one of the most smoothest markets that I have ever traded. So if we do look at US30, it had been dropping from the beginning of the year. So if you do look at the top of that high, that was around the 31st of December, going on to the 4th of Jan, 5th of Jan when the markets opened. And from there, the whole 6 months of the year, the market was dropping, and we started picking up momentum around the 15th, 16th of June. And from there, we haven't actually looked back. So we have been breaking previous highs, which is also like a sign of, trend reversals. So for me, I will be looking for those sort of like, potential moves to the upside, because of the very fact that we did break past this major previous high that we did have. And if you do draw your lines or like look at your zones, you can see that we've got like a major zone over there, which I did cover a couple of weeks ago on my other breakdown on US30, which I do think this is like a very major key level on this particular trade that we're looking at. So this is 33,500, 33,400 roundabout. So we've got like a range of 100 points over there that you can obviously look at. So if you do look on the left hand side, obviously this was a previous support level that held over there, and you can now see that we are currently above that support area, which would obviously mean that we are now looking for buying opportunities onto the next area. So The next region that we will be looking at is obviously these regions around 35,500, 35,400 roundabout. And those are the regions that we're looking at. Also with trendline traders, I think you guys can obviously see that we did kind of break out of this counter trend that was formed over there. You can see obviously we have our first and second touch, and that was a fake below that level. And over here, we failed to obviously fulfill that trend line to the downside, and we did break out of that. So that's the first sign that you're looking at for a trend reversal. So for me, I will be personally looking for buys around these 33,500, 33,400 regions, at least to the upside, and that's on the daily time frame. If you do go to the H4 time frame, I do obviously look at the structure as one of my major factors and one of my major contributors to this bias that I do have. And if you look at this particular market, you will notice that the market has been creating a series of high highs and high lows. So we did establish a high over there. So right now I will be waiting for a low to be printed around about these regions and levels before I can start looking for buys. So for the week, that is the direction that I'm looking at on US30. I will be looking for buys throughout the week, and at least we can obviously change biases if we do break out of this level, which I do doubt. Looking at momentum right now and how it's forming, I do see this market continuing to rally to the upside for the next 6 months. So that's what I will be looking at, and I hope this video helped you. Please do drop a comment down below. Let me know if you did learn something. And once again, this is Dr. Martin. If you are new to this channel, please do me a favor, do like this video, subscribe and share it across your social media platforms so other people can know about this cool thing that we have going on. Again, guys, it's Dr. Martin, and we are signing out. Peace out.